no or shira and a main pie or the four. It is a ocean as a Sandy B. May a guy, na me de beka ho asem. Na we say I'm a straw home, kwa ma ho kwan ti ano pay. Ma ho kwan na ho your ho adwuma. Na Sister Sandy must mean do who konsa. Na adzen, Sister Sandy B a guy. Sister Sandy B was swag. Sister Sandy B too dope. It's me fa ho asem no afane 5. What you see? Ene kaki abe PM news mo DJ switch ababawa so no wo yin senchene won nsa no ono nso so ejinijim akatachie miama akatachie wo mo nso so jire sa wo studio guest fefefe bi e wo fi ha senti yemfa ensem no enhyehye so enani ho there's DJ fo adorso but DJ switch e ya ababawa so no akraketwa fefefe bi anyame adom ya discover the talent na sa talent no enye mpanifo nkwa na story o ababawa no ono nso story bi eka mumientie DJ switch amani hunu
DJ no me yando or my leisure time and I'm a DJ minjai me my leisure time I me yando say me didi agro. No, club them. Okay, like birthday party, wedding, engagement. Apart from nightclub, school, graduation, and many others. Apart from nightclub, my person almost expected menu I ever saw.
Wow, the
a single, and chakra.
And expected DJ.
Until almost expecting free me ho. And chakra.
A friend Lillian. DJ switch mommy. And an auntie, Nana Joa. On those sunny day, and Yama be brain or can ring some or can crunch and some or born training in Yama be brave. The DJ in the beto. Am said there be said there will never be out to me, no. My aunt travel in so has a befa until I try 5 days. Ne fire what they call shoe no. Never near high, intimidate me would dear pass Erica or the cap on the befi. Me coachino, me buano, so obey talent no, near one moon or dinning na beba bontain, and then yana talent and quana this year. And so, yeah, buano, send a bay obey to me, Eddie me, you know, DJ in any talent I cannot this year, so obey to me, I can't na a boom. Now what's me, I yet. Nipa panyini tenene said the minumi no yehhehwe no DJ switch the enche kra for the time being no yahhehwe say weekend be ye time with DJ switch and no every weekend say Sunday say Friday say Sunday or best start at a particular point be man kra no so mbe hu how the talent no nti enta kodrum pempesu na kra no so ahu enya nimdie wo DJ in hunti time DJ switch obeba na Erica no ankasa be church ni mani ba DJ in weni so amankra no so ahwe no mo
so ye pese ye da ne fantasy ne ye pese ye catch o mo say o mo support no ene she ye banin kran ene o goso otimi koso eye ne ma akese nti ye be stress o mo nguso en supporting na mo hu bibi kra nya wo ho a nipa de se de otwa sa onim se ne chiachia nti o mo catch ren ya ye nso se betinetine ya kwan edomas
DJ switch to the beat.
Down for the dough. Down for the dough. Down for the dough.
Gaga girl say she want marry me yo. I hope so she's I don't know. DJ switch your fans yes you that was me am your fan. We are the here in school nti bo modern akọ school dia aka no yes you dey ahoden e better watch yet waswa Ghana ha say Ghana ha wo sign contract am so no aka mu ye because asaba to my sister ade atoka aki eni omumu am na minyima no kaki enei we free extra large wo free ho no nye no nko o sa na nwom akaki abo ye de sapon da we play upon the wine ni no kaki ene dia se say wo free ho no enyom no enya ade obetimi perform wo ba bia na esa asem wo asi no ehu we ye no what the hell asem we de pantoma kaki amani hunu nso ni Nine ya someone esine say female dancehall artist Kaki Enei Wakasem was say enyumu a wabo nyina no extra large music edia ani assigning to extra large music label. Na too much hit maker ene Wakasem say enyum no enyo no ena na etro nti say na ho asama aba ne say baabi a wakọ no enya de akaki ebetimi atonyum we say ewo baabi esansa amban ama ne pa na obenya ono akan so pepa ne de ma no okan ye na de command ne maame na ne maame ka che ne say onko hu lawyer ni na afi omonye so lawyer ne bai no wasan we ne say kaki wa na opentema you famous when you fame no de aka na aka no watch na bia ma pepa enya pepa sabita frache on fan kwetwuto eye pepa ekura wo daache ti wo bekan wato obu akan die kaki kafra wate yenye eyi mesha black abo ebusuafo ye toa so ekrom ha say no beti ye say o legendary ayi bia wu wo wu ya na eyi ase ye pebosia wo bi yare ye pe 5000 enye ono nko he akatachie omoteyiraye in few 7 good years na say omo ira na ye komo o akatachie omo 7 years na ehia omo nyame na make omo ane kan mo mie nkotie akatachie so amani hwe na amani hwe ne to so sa
come on yanko
for Adom TV awajo ye ya be pie mo Silver Star Tower ye ne amanfo be twetwe nkomo ene no ye bo no back to back na ya bo amanfo bebre nwum ye sure say okwa won say say akachechie he mo mwachimudi wo krom se mo nim sa che mo ma me freestyle
yes yabana yenna kumaziwa die manu mani unu se mani wakumemu hima fa wobu manu anunti asiese donu goa yeah, no Sarah. Okay. Hey, are you ready? Oh, be on your feet. Everybody, be on your feet like that. Be on your feet and let's go. I want to hear you singing. That's right. That's right. We love you. Love you. Are you ready to this? Let's go. Okay, now you, all of you, sing for me. Aje. That's what I'm saying. Let me hear you sing it. That's what I'm saying. Come on, let me go. Once again. You have the ladies in the house. Good for me. That's right.
Aha, akatechie. Enye say no more de come before be term. That's what I'm saying. Medical dia. Ti mo aba na ma pebi. Ekra na enya Mr. and Mrs. Jatas. Kwada so estate Kumasi Masewa. Me do ye panyamin show. Sanso na Nancy Rice. Tema. Me pon na ma be this Sunday near aduane de. Na enia busuafo me ka kire mo se me studio guest. Fefe bi e wo fie hase ababa we ya de osi mu ache we old pioneer mo fa camera neto no so ne baby Blanche ni
hi darling
me mo akwa baba Badwam Ahosepe osi mu ache e ya de ani sokrisa fa bo adwuma bebre ni animu ye huhu movie bi e fe ne hot fork
hey sir
no me kai me bo a na wuginem se say de na e ko hye hen na afi so e
okay Sandy me da se nemom ye di kama me nchia me nua ba bi ansa na me refi no sani me ho ayefe Facebook kosi for me the Queen Center on Instagram on na wa hye me ama me ho ayefe se am mo bisa me mpacho mo ko Instagram
the follow no the Queen Center
yeah sani how kan and me jais ni twa
okay
but me ko ekotena ase hwe ni mu kakra ne se me keka ni ma si ani no de na se me ba back and me ba back no ase me twase ne be miensa bi na a footful free adrofo bi ho ne somebody very special in my life eje me say
oh boy
and eje me say main trust me and na me dwene hu say no
let's of course na che no why your homework ye
a lot
into no why do production about na
me patcho and ye try very first movie
every production house na say
Blanche Productions
Udin ankasa na da so the movie about
me patcho I am out ye twawie na afa na ye be premiere no wo cinemas no October date no NMI but anytime from next month and move who said date no ne advert ni na era ni TV so title ne the trophy
trophy.
Wine
na you expecting the woman. One kasa we jinem obviously. It's wine beam to the jinem one. A guy.
Squad jinem.
Na for jinem.
Aye.
Bella Samuel jinem.
Aye.
Bishop Benanya for jinem. Jessica Williams jinem. Just squad tight.
Tight. It's in the movie about then trophy. Then a woman storyline. It's the same.
Right. Also because a trophy, Adam any paper adwene ko agrokensi.
I mean, how can I come? Who say trophy football?
But there be way Badwam Ahosepe. If serious no ye nyina ye bo bra se be pe bibi na momo de ne den obi ho bo bra na e press opeka opefie and that's it obi ho we ni so ade hunu ebi ana school ko ebi ana president akonwa no na opre na kwan be na obefa so enya sa akonwa no
ese movie ni nyina ejina Badwam nsem
ejina Badwam nsem ene ne ekoso wo social media ne nsem bebre
eho ne de mesika
eho no na ho ti ase
eho no mu fintade na yese unhu de eko enti trophy no na etwaguo ewo your screen
because nipa bi wo ho no mo a ohun sanadamfo bi riding be car no opre so benye bi
make wa ko free obi dia na otim na odi etwa picture laboro ni pressure sister Felicia ne auntie Felicia for nko a eti wa be no say Blanche production no e ade a wo baba be yi movies na say we say no nko na pese odi tum na say
oh there be that my boss an actress me akwanya no also bi opese osan ne me ye adwuma no me ho and na me anso so me de e kan I want to also give opportunity to a lot of up and coming talents
me gina he me akwa me
me
na ya before ho oba fa ya osika na ose mu edu
sa anyanya me
how press kapa ya shadanya yi to de be fa
anyanya me de ntino sa na ye de ko hye so me eje obi ase on watch out trailer no na about na kan mu yi ne fefefe October ye premiere no live e was Silver Bed
October na be so a obesa ye den
me ba me discuss ne ba so a ne nyina ba ma mo say yes
me ha Chinese say boza to the nation what I say it's no final words to fans no be or baby Blanche asaba o you be ye ni mo dada onye ne ba it's wa ba no be stay and I said the final words
okay I've come to stay my ba say me ba betina nti obi bi person ni me ye adwuma bi akonya ne da ho and na o pese will get interactive with me so I check me social media handles Baby Blanche 1 e wo Instagram
I just spell Ghana for the
me fa cho mate BABY now the Blanche don't also BLANCHE yen space no e bomu ba pe na the one
I say Ghana for you I say Nancy Rice aduane tema e akodi bi na ha de wo live e boza to me that say wonya akwanya e ba say na ne Baby Blanche e na mote ne nka no movie a e ba be koso movie saba enwura wom but we say no me professor ba ko hwebi na afa be di ho adas because onye ne ba obi a watcha wo mu a watena cha homework na wo say movie no e be ye guy na ne hot gossip amen sa kan say Stone Boy one and a wife o metu ko Islegon I know moti ashama sta sand me kra fela no one na yire e ade a ometuko Islegon ye the keys no asho monsem xylophone media e the keys na asho monsem omoko san so na hot gossip to aso no na group bi di achiame o chiame ko fini o chiame kwame se sem sa ba ko person pre title so na etro intilie ona na atro intilie abusu afo aha and I'm a day and ne and common be see or chiame ko fi so na etro achiame nyom ya da so my hit song said ya so so chame kwame na was so nti na busuafo e midin e de sister Sandy me major guy o ye guy na wish am okroma no ama me oza makamo